Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. So the question, just to reiterate it, can the Minister update Parliament on why certain entities like TFL and OF are allowed to dig up perfectly good roads to carry out their projects or maintenance work? And I note in Standing Order 45.4, the Minister must reply to a question unless it would be inconsistent. A reply must be relevant, concise, and confined. So the question itself, why certain entities like TFL are allowed to dig up perfectly good roads? And I would say the answer is to lay cables, lay pipes, to repair cables and pipes. So, I mean, that's the way the question was. That's the way the question is formulated. So.
Thank you.